Good morning. You know, when I pour over the kindness stories, and there's a lot of them out there. You start, go ahead and look. You'll find them. I I publish ones that really resonate with me, and uh, and they do for various reasons. And sometimes the utter smallness financially of a gesture, or the ease with which an act is done that is done out of pure kindness, are the ones that move me the most. And this one, as so many of them, come from England. And this one comes from Nottingham, and it's titled "Kind Nottingham Stranger Leaves £20 to Pay for Parking Fine." Selena Mills got a ticket from the machine in a car park, and over here we call those parking lots, in Mapperley Top, Nottingham, on Tuesday, which allowed her to stay for free 2 hours. Upon her return, she found she'd been fined £25 due to her ticket blowing over. Her ticket apparently she put it on her windshield and it blew away, so she got fined. And she also found a £20 note and a note, £20 bill. That's £20. It's like, $25 or something, or $22.50. And a note saying, "From one mom to another." And the actual note reads, "From one mom to another, act of kindness. I saw you put the ticket in. I'm sorry you now have a ticket. Please accept the £20 to help pass on the love." He didn't sign it. He didn't want the recognition. I think somewhere in the article it says she tracked down the person, but I don't see where it identifies. Oh, yeah. Okay, here it is. Sonia Robinson of Arnold spotted the post and confirmed it was her. So, small act of kindness, no expectation of return. What I've always called non-transactional kindness is true kindness. See you tomorrow.